The synergy of the gear economy. The gear economy stands as a pivotal element within the framework of the autonomous gear economy, focusing on achieving more efficient and effective resource utilization through synergy and common goals. Much like gears interlocking, different components collaborate to achieve shared motion and efficiency. In the autonomous gear economy, this concept extends across various domains, encompassing production, distribution, and consumption. Individuals and communities will forge closer collaborations to realize enhanced production efficiency and fair resource distribution. Synergy lies at the heart of the gear economy. Individuals and communities exchange resources and expertise to boost productivity and meet demand. This extends beyond mere economic cooperation. It embodies a spirit of mutual aid, contributing to the formation of stronger communities and a more cohesive society. Uniting diverse individuals and small groups is another integral facet of the gear economy. By leveraging each other's unique proficiencies, the entire economic system becomes more sophisticated, addressing the fundamental needs of all individuals. The gear economy places significant emphasis on common goals. In the autonomous gear economy, everyone collectively pursues loftier objectives, transcending individual short-term gains to create a better living environment for the next generation. This fosters the establishment of a more socially meaningful economic system, driving societal progress and development.